Reaction trailed Shehu Sani's statement to those asking Igbo people to leave Kaduna. What kind of country do we really want to build? A country where citizens can live peacefully anywhere? Or a country where fear, suspicion and tribal threats dictate where Nigerians must stay? Because today, Shehu Sani's statement, "Stop wasting your time. Igbos in the north are not going anywhere," has triggered a national debate. Let's break down why his words shook the table and why many Nigerians are reacting with deep emotion. For decades, the Igbo community has been one of the most active, entrepreneurial, and deeply rooted groups in the north. They are in Kaduna, Kano, Jos, Abuja, Bauchi, Gombe, everywhere. So when certain groups or individuals begin to make statements suggesting, "Go back to your state, leave Kaduna, pack your bags," it immediately reminds Nigerians of old tensions, old fears, and old wounds. This is why Shehu Sani, a former senator from Kaduna, who has a reputation for challenging ethnic divisions, intervened strongly. His message was short, blunt, and direct. Stop wasting your time. Igbo people in the north are not returning anywhere. And in that one sentence, he touched on 4 major issues. 1. Full citizenship. Nigerians have the constitutional right to live anywhere. 2. The fear of ethnic intimidation. These leave our state messages, create panic and deepen mistrust. 3.